Welcome to our channel. If you want to sign up for Amazon Seller Central, follow these step-by-step instructions to create your account and start enjoying the service. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Amazon Seller Central website or download the app from your device's App Store. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button prominently displayed on the home page. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access for verification purposes. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including your name and payment details. Most services require a payment method, even for free trials. Step 5. Choose your subscription plan from the available options. Review the features and pricing of each plan carefully before making your selection. Step 6. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then click the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Step 7. Complete the verification process by checking your email for a confirmation link and clicking on it to verify your account. Step 8. Log into your new account using your credentials and start exploring the platform. You can now customize your profile and begin using Amazon Seller Central. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.